And all I can tell you is that until proven otherwise, shorts are trapped. Each line gets its push. So I'm keeping this notion of 1502 as a pretty important support area for the rest of the day. And only by unwinding this area will the shorts start to have some success. If not, they can be squeezed. So for my preference, I'd rather see a little more range trading, but I do understand the nature of what's going on here. Here's your green line, here's your red line, and sometimes if we get a straight up trajectory, we'll just chop through the red line the second time around here and wiggle through it and back and forth and allowing the blue line time to catch up. But normally lunchtime is a smaller range. So even on, minor, as long as this keeps pushing this way and making new highs, fine. But after lunch, we're going to take an assessment of where we are, and we'll see if there are any trades that make sense. Normally, you have a fairly small range at lunchtime. And I submit to you that the squeeze continues until it gets undermined. And it looks to me like the most important support of the day is going to be obviously the IB low. If that ever gets taken out today, then anything can happen. But we said, yesterday that the primary battle we already knew should be focused on plus or minus this 1502. So nothing has changed my opinion about that. When it's set up there, that made perfect sense. All right, so grab a little lunch. Don't overtrade this mess. Said today should be a lot harder for the shorts, and we also said it probably would be a tough day to trade. So you got this right, you lock profits, and you don't even worry about it right now. Don't do anything. There's nothing needs to be done. If you played this trade, nothing needs to be done. And if you have a trailer from here and you want to manage that, fine. Just don't let this get away from you. Never lose on this trade. All right, be back in a little.